wanted to remind you about my December giveaway, the Jeffree Star Alien Palette. Let me open him up here. God, it's gorgeous. Look at this, guys. One lucky winner will get this beautiful palette. It's a cool tone palette. It's just beautiful. And the first person I pull will have the option of choosing either palette. And the other gift is the Natasha Nonna Sunset palette. This is a leather type case. I'm sure it's not leather, but it's got a divider in there that shows the names of the shades. And look how beautiful this is. This one is more of a warm tone palette, but I love these colors. Just gorgeous. So if you're interested in winning and getting in this December giveaway, I've had a giveaway every month this year except for January. I started in February with giveaways, and I have given away close to, I think, over $1,200 worth of gifts. I'd have to add it all up. But if you want to get into this giveaway, you need to, first of all, subscribe and make sure your subscription is to public. If you have any trouble with that, just email me. It's very easy. And also, you need to comment under the videos, because that's how you're chosen. I will randomly choose a comment from every video from the November 30th video until December 31st. Hey Charmers, I have a sneak peek tonight. Boxycharm had a pop-up store in the Aventura Mall in Florida, and Joe was showing everyone the pop-up store, and while he was in the mall he went into Sephora. Here he's showing us two of the Tarte palettes that are going to be in our January box. And as he was looking around the store, all of a sudden he finds this Too Faced product. It's the Better Than Sex mascara. And he was joking around with the sales clerk, and she said that one of these mascaras is sold every 4 seconds. Isn't that amazing? That's a lot of mascara. I've tried these before. These are very good mascaras. We've gotten a lot of mascaras lately, but this would be an awesome product to get in one of our boxes next year. So hopefully we'll be seeing it. Thank you all for watching. This was just a short little sneak peek, and hopefully there'll be more to come. Please remember to subscribe, and if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.